The milk is warming nicely, and the fish smells wonderful.
Brought the fresh ingredients.
Fun spoons.
Careful with those, little one. Oh, thank you, dear. The milk is just what we needed. Happy to help. I'll get the fish next. Wonderful. Breakfast is almost...
Come, breakfast is ready. Shall I help?
I want the whole cheese. This is the best breakfast.
Yeah, it's great.
Yummy.
Look at you.
Sup?
Their world was built on little moments of happiness. Was built on little moments of happiness.
Catch me.
I'm coming.
Catch me.
A dream to fly. A dream to fly.
Let's check if we have everything for the airplane. Okay, I see the wrench and screwdriver. Good. What about the pliers and hammer?
Yes, they're here. We're all set.
Wow, what a market. So many parts. Focus. The propeller stall is over there. We'll take the propeller and engine mount. Good choice. That'll be $150. Easy now, don't scratch the paint. Let's get the parts for our helicopter. Yeah, the wooden body is right here. Looks perfect. Get the tires too. Got 'em. To the checkout. This will be the best toy ever. Hold on tight. We're leaving the market. Woo! Okay, let's get these helicopter parts. Got it. I'm on it, parts. All loaded. Let's go.
And so began their greatest journey.
Woof! Let's build this airplane. We need the instructions. I'll get the big parts. Careful with the propeller. Woof woof! It's working there. Time to build. Hold it steady. Make it strong.
Look at this.
Let's paint this 10-foot wooden airplane.
You got it. I'll grab the blue paint.
Perfect. I'll use the yellow. And done! We finished it!
Finally, their dream was ready.
Oh, great one. Please let the airplane work safely today. Yes, please let it fly without any problems. It worked! Thank you!
Hooray! Let's celebrate with sweets.
Can we fly too?
Why not?
Ready for takeoff?
Yes! Let's go!
Woo! Hands up!
This is fun! Bye-bye!
But not every dream is easy to achieve.
Woo! This is flying! Yeah, the sky is ours! Whoa, storm! Hold on! It's... The rain is crazy! Don't panic, dogs! Storm ahead! Ugh, what a crash!
Who told you to do something like this?
Sometimes, lessons come through pain.
But they didn't give up. We can do this together.
Yes, let's make it stronger.
It's ready for another try.
Let's fly.
This time, they handled it. What now?
Let it go. Sometimes, life teaches us not every dream must be chased. Some dreams are just meant to show us how to be happy.